canister, and I just want to show you when I vacuum the bed and see if I pick up anything. There it is. I've just finished vacuuming the bed, and as you can see, there is a lot of debris that it picked up, and it's not even a super power head like the one that Dyson has. This one is, I guess, you know, for cleaning carpets and stuff, but as you can see that it did pick up a lot of dust from the bed. I'm just gonna open it carefully so I don't spill anything. Give it a tap. So there it is. I'm gonna pop this open and look at that. Oh my god, all that dust on my bed. So bad for you for breathing in. Here it is. Wonderful. The Nequare. I just want to show you after cleaning my night table, both sides, and the lampshades, and the bladeless Dyson fan that I have on my night table. That's what it gathered. This thing is amazing. It picks up literally every single dust particle that's on my night table. Starting from a clean slate, I cleaned out the canister. As you can see, it's very clean, and I'm going to clean all my pillows. I've just finished vacuuming all my pillows, and I started with a clean canister, and this is what it picked up. Look at that. I had vacuum, I guess, 4 pillows that I sleep on, and then 2 decorative ones, and look at that. I'm just going to tap it and click to open, show you the stuff that it picked up. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? 4 pillows. The only way I can show the effectiveness of the Nequare is to clean out the canister, to start out with a clean cavity, as I am showing you here. So I'm going to proceed to vacuum the my floor, my bathroom floor, and then you can see the stuff that it can pick up as well. This is easy peasy because I've done the bed and the pillows, and it just literally picked up stuff that I cannot even see with my own eye. So here it goes. I am done cleaning my bathroom floor. As you can see, just a simple click, and look at all the debris that it has picked up, and my bathroom floor is clean.